The Body Keeps the Score, Brain, Mind, and Body in the Healing of Trauma is a book by Dr. Bessel Van Der Kolk that explores the complex nature of trauma and its impact on the human body. Dr. Van Der Kolk draws on his extensive experience as a clinician and researcher in the field of trauma to provide readers with a deep understanding of the ways in which trauma can shape our minds, bodies, and relationships. The book is divided into three main parts. In the first part, Dr. Van Der Kolk discusses the historical evolution of our understanding of trauma and the role that cultural factors play in shaping our perceptions of traumatic experiences. He also introduces the concept of trauma-sensitive therapy and explores various treatment modalities that have been shown to be effective in addressing trauma. The second part of the book focuses on the physical and neurological effects of trauma on the body. Dr. Van Der Kolk explains how traumatic experiences can lead to chronic stress and dysregulation of the body's stress response systems, which in turn can manifest as a wide range of physical symptoms and conditions. He also explores the role of somatic therapies, such as yoga and dance, in helping to regulate the body's stress response and promote healing. The final part of the book explores the ways in which trauma can impact our relationships with others, and how healing from trauma requires a relational approach that emphasizes safety, trust, and connection. Dr. Van Der Kolk discusses the importance of addressing the social and cultural contexts in which trauma occurs, and the need to create supportive communities that can help individuals heal from the effects of trauma. Throughout the book, Dr. Van Der Kolk draws on a range of clinical examples and research studies to illustrate his points, and he provides practical guidance for both clinicians and individuals who are seeking to heal from trauma. He also offers a vision for a society that is more trauma-informed and supportive of individuals who have experienced trauma. One of the key themes of The Body Keeps the Score is the importance of recognizing the interconnectedness of the brain, mind, and body in the healing of trauma. Dr. Van Der Kolk argues that traditional approaches to treating trauma, which often focus solely on cognitive or talk therapies, are insufficient in addressing the full scope of the impact of trauma on the body. Instead, he advocates for a more holistic approach that recognizes the ways in which trauma can impact all aspects of an individual's being. Another important theme of the book is the role of relationships and social connection in healing from trauma. Dr. Van Der Kolk emphasizes the importance of creating safe and supportive environments for individuals who have experienced trauma, and he discusses the ways in which trauma can impact an individual's ability to form and maintain healthy relationships. He also highlights the importance of addressing the societal and cultural factors that contribute to the prevalence of trauma, and the need to create more supportive communities that can help individuals heal from the effects of trauma. Overall, The Body Keeps the Score is a powerful and insightful book that provides readers with a deep understanding of the complex nature of trauma and its impact on the human body. Dr. Van Der Kolk's expertise and compassionate approach make this book an essential resource for anyone who is seeking to understand and heal from the effects of trauma.